All right, y'all, before we get into this video, make sure you remember to go and check out my website, SarayMarie.com, for more products. And definitely don't forget to subscribe. Hey everybody, today I'll be showing you how to go from a flirty beach wave to a flirty half up, half down with this glueless install. Okay, so first you want to part about 1 inch back. I mean, if you want it a little bit chunkier, you can. I see some of the girls doing a little chunkier, so we can go a little chunkier. And you just basically want to do that on both sides. I'm going to go all the way down to my ear. I'm going to take my clip, and I'm going to section this off. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And now I'm just gonna take my rubber band and I'm gonna pull the rest of my hair back just to kind of get it out the way. I'm using my Melt Me foam wrap. You can use any foam that you have around your house and basically just apply it to form the bang pieces. And as y'all know, I'm not really a baby hair type of person, but if you are, you can just comb your baby hairs out right there. Okay, so the first part is done. I've secured both ends to the back. Always have to have my radiance floss. It's also a heat protectant.
Okay, so for this style, I actually decided to use my wand curler. So I'm just gonna go throughout my whole entire head and just wand curl. There really is no wrong or right way to do this. I will say that the curls will hold best and come out the best if you hold them right after you're done curling so that they'll cool down.
The thing I hate is a Tweety Bird ponytail. Like, I hate when I see ponytails and it's like this, it's like this much hair. Like when I see girls and it's like this as a ponytail, like girl. You don't put more hair in that ponytail. And let's say if you got a little situation going on like this is still not even enough hair for me. So what I'll do, especially because nobody's gonna see the back of your head, I will even part out some from the back and like bring it to the top so that it gives more fullness and that you don't see the gaps. You know what I mean? Like, that's the real tea. Like we had talked about. Now I'm gonna take my tall clip. You could use a bigger one, but I just got this little small one. And you can give it a little twist. And it's just basically going to give you this. And then you just want to separate it.
So y'all, as I'm separating my curls, I'm noticing that some of them are not as defined as that I would want them to be. So I'm going to go back with the wand curler and just define these pieces a little bit more.
And I actually like that I took smaller pieces because it definitely gives it more of a 90s vibe when you have like, I don't like super uniform hair, but even with the pieces, I like how it's like crinkly or just smaller sections. So I definitely will go in and do that.
Okay, I'm doing it a little bit more. It's coming together. It's looking good. Okay, y'all, I'm pretty much finished with this look. This will be great for date night, a cute little flirty style. I'm going to finish up by spraying my hair down with some hairspray. It'll give my hair some volume and help keep the curls. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.